Yes. Alright. So he wanted to speak about his experiences and what he can do about it. Right?
So तुम सबको कितना न्यूज़ के बारे में पता है? स्पीक इन हिंदी, इंग्लिश वर्क्स विद यू गाइस? इंग्लिश इज गुड. सो न्यूज़ के बारे में कितना पता है? कोई न्यूज़ देखता भी है यहाँ पे? Not on a daily basis. Not on a daily basis. So the news which is coming around on the television screens or your smart TV and all, how do you find it? Like, do you find it objective or something?
Very chaotic.
Very chaotic.
Chaotic, yes.
And on other mediums, like not on the mainstream television medium, if you see on digital medium, how do you find it?
If you consider Palki Sharma's news channels and those things, they are very sophisticated and very.
So very mainstream and very explainer kind of.
Yes.
Okay, so how many guys have taken mass media as a subject? So you guys are pursuing mass media.
And so, I think mass media is a sixth subject.
Sixth subject.
Yeah.
So what motivated you to take mass media?
Well, my teacher Shalini ma'am and her classes.
Okay, so
I'll start with the class.
what do you find attractive in this mass media? Like you want to do acting or you
How
want
to
to
do, how to do
reporting
it.
or something?
And I analyze how violent scenes in movies are portrayed in TV shows as well. So I figured I should make a new violent, violent media footage and then act footage acted by my beloved friends Adya and myself.
So from it, like for your journey, you have taken mass media. So how do you put the journey from classroom to newsroom is paid? What is your analysis? Like how do you view news overall? Like क्या रहता है? What goes around?
It goes around like we are getting news every day like someone is doing rape, someone is killing someone, and some accidents are happening.
So see, when you consume news, there are thousand number of inputs involved. So there is always a gatekeeper. So gatekeeper are the newsmakers who sit on desk and decide what news is worthy for you to consume. See, there are thousands of incidents which gets reported by major news agencies, be it ANI, be it PTI, INS. These are the leading news agencies which provide you inputs, and they gather inputs from the stringers, wide network of stringers which are around the globe, if they consider it. So from that stringers, you get the basic inputs of the news. Like there is a incident which has happened down your streets, or there is a rape incident, or there is a robbery incident. Other than that, if there is a incident which involved Swiggy delivery boys, they got harassed recently. So these news inputs, there are thousands of news inputs which gets filtered, and after that filtration, it gets delivered. So to pursue journalism as a career, you need to filter news. You need to consume a lot of news material, be it from television, be it from the newspapers. See, the television medium only provides you the news, which is just a overall perspective is given. But if you go through the newspaper, it gives you a habit to read between the lines. So the first paragraph provides you the 5W1H of a news. But what led to that incident, that is between the lines, what you get an overall concept. So when you pursue it as a career, you can just deliver it on screen as well. So that is what goes around overall. Other than that, if you talk about news operations, see, if I am coming from a TV perspective, so if TV perspective is considered, what you see on here and what goes around at the back end, that is a major part of it. To explain it on overall perspective, you get two divisions of a news channel. One is the input, which gathers news. It considers about electronic news gathering. So that electronic news gathering provides you the inputs which comes from stringers, the inputs which comes from reporters, the inputs which are available online. So if you see a viral news which is going around on our Twitter page, You filter it. You filter it and you ask and cross-check with your and your reporters, because cross-checking on news is very important, because in today's day and age, you always get fake news, unverified news, and if you publish that news, you are taking that onus on you.
Yes.
So if you are taking that onus on you, then you are not objective. So to cross-check our news, you must verify it from your own sources. Each and every district, each and every place has different stringers of every news channel, and above that stringers you get reporters who report the news. Then it gets to the editors, the desk editors. They decide what news to be picked up, what news you should have picked up.
Basically, filtering.
Filtration is very important, because you cannot report 10 news on your, be it newspaper or be it on your television channels. So that filtration is important. Now your filtration is when you have your 5W1H of your news. Now that needs to be processed. That is where output and production parts come. The output gives you the lines of information. What will be the lines? What will be the jackets? See, on television you have three communication mediums. One is your grid. Grid is the basic ticker which gives you news information. Like we consider it, if a grid of a news channel should communicate everything, because in most of the news channels our news goes, we have different channels which goes on. So be it if we say about Bengal media, ABP Anando, then you have Zee 24 Ghanta, then you have your Republic Bangla, then you have different news channels which goes on one single screen. We read the grids कि हमारा दूसरा चैनल क्या चला रहा है, तो वो भी देखने की जरूरत है. अगर दूसरा चैनल कोई खबर ब्रेक कर रहा है, you need to cross check with your status and then get it reported on your channel, because on television media you break first, and if you are not breaking it first, then you follow it first. स्टोरी पे लीड लेना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत हो जाता है किसी भी चैनल की. So process, the after gathering the news, it goes on to output. Output processes it. Then the production team gives you graphics, and finally the anchor reads it. See, being an anchor doesn't make you a newspaper. There are differences. See, there are TP anchors and there are inform anchors. TP anchors are the teleprompter anchors who just read the news script. And just reading the news script doesn't make you a journalist. What makes you a journalist is gathering news, verifying it, and reporting to the facts. So there are two types of anchors as well. So being a reporter, then being on desk, then being an anchor makes you a more better journalist than being just a TP. So this was an overall perspective of news. I started off from your classroom as well. So from classroom to newsroom, it has been a journey. APJ has stood by me at every point. So it was a quite good journey. I would suggest you guys can pursue journalism as a career as well. It's a good career, but today being objective is the biggest challenge. Thank you guys.